There's a footprint that institutions leave on the chart every single day, and most retail traders walk right past it. It's called a fair value gap, or FVG. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are, why they form, and how to use them. We'll be on the PU Prime web trader the whole way through, which honestly is one of the cleanest charting platforms I've used. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, all information here is not financial advice. It must be used for educational purposes only. So here we are back on PU Prime's web trader again. What is an FEG? So a fair value gap is really simple once you see it. It's a 3-candle pattern where the middle candle is so aggressive that the wicks of the candle before and the candle after don't overlap. Look at this. Candle 1 right here, and then you get candle 2, that's the big aggressive one, and candle 3, right? That's the high of the candle 1 and the low of the candle 3 don't touch, right? So in this demo right here, the low of candle 1 and the high of candle 3, they don't touch, and then you've got this gap inside. That gap in between, that is the FVG. It's called the fair value gap because price moved so fast that not enough trading happened in that zone. The market essentially skipped over a price range and it tends to come back to fill it later. Right, so here's the bit most courses don't explain properly. Why does the FVG form in the first place? It forms because someone with size, proper institutional size, slam the market in one direction. Retail traders don't move price like that. It takes huge orders to print a candle that aggressive. Look at this. There's a lot of orders going in to that one candle. So when you see an FEG, you're literally looking at the footprint of a big player. They've shown their hand. They've told you, we want to be in this direction. It's your job is to listen to that and trade with them, not against them. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect. Carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decision. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with the plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's continue with the video. Okay, so drawing them is really easy. We go to our tools right here. We take the rectangular tool from the PU Prime web trader, right? It has really nice, clean tools, right? And you draw it from this one. It's going to be from the low of the first candle to the high of the third candle, and that is your zone. So from here to here, we draw it across, and that is your FEG. And you can see how clean that is from the low of the first to the high of the third. And look how price just comes right in there to perfection and then drops off. So this right here, this becomes your level of interest. Price will often come back, tap into this zone and continue in the original direction. That's your entry in here. The original direction, we are bearish. This is a bearish fair value gap. So you'll be looking for sells in and around this point of interest. Okay, let's look for another one. Let's find a bullish one for you. So we have to look to see where the market is trending upwards. Right, okay, so we've got a lot, look at that, a lot of momentum here. So we're bullish right here. We have, look at this one. Right, so we have the FEG forms here. So we have candle 1, candle 2, which is that huge momentum. This is where the institutions are stepping in. Now this is quite a big fair value gap, so price can sometimes come back into here. It can tap around in there for a while before shooting off, but you can clearly see this is the clear momentum, and we are bullish. We are bullish from here where price breaks above this high, a change in the order flow. We have another break, so this candle, as well as coming into the market market with momentum, it also breaks structure. We break in, we come back down, and then we shoot off again with momentum to the upside. So a quick distinction, a bullish FEG forms on the way up. Price will look to come back down to it as support, and a bearish FEG forms on the way down. Price will look to come back up to it as resistance. Same logic, just flipped. Both are showing you where institutions stepped in with size. So filtering the good from the noise. Now, not every FEG is worth trading. The market prints loads of them. So how do you filter? 3 things I look for. 1, the FEG should be in line with the higher time frame trend. Don't fight the bigger picture. 2, it should be created by genuinely strong momentum, a genuinely strong move, not a tiny squeeze. So like this is genuinely strong. You can see that impulse. You can see the institutions stepping in with that dough. And 3, there should be liquidity for price to grab on the way into your FEG. If you've got all 3, that's a high quality setup. Here, this is why price has hung around here for a little bit. On a lower time frame, you will have liquidity. Maybe on the 15-minute, you will see an ERL which has been swept into this and then pushed up. Here you can see again strong momentum. We're pushing upwards. Again, on a lower time frame, there will be liquidity here. Price comes into this FEG, sweeps in, and then just pumps to the upside. Clean crystal. And you will see these on the charts all day, every day. So a quick word on the platform itself. The reason I do all my chart analysis on the PU Prime web trader is simple. It just gets out of your way. The drawing tools are clean and intuitive. Rectangle tool, horizontal line tool, trend lines, everything you need to mark up FEGs and key levels is right here. 1 click away, no digging through menus, no clutter. And then you go to the lower time frame, all the candles render properly, even on the lower time frames. And that matters when you're hunting FEGs on a 5-minute or the 15-minute or even the 1 minute. It all really matters. Some platforms smear the candles at low time frames and you lose the detail. Not here. And when we zoom out and we come to all of the pairs, they also have a solid range of pairs. Forex, we have gold, indices. So whatever I'm trading on a given day, it's all in one place. I'm not switching between platforms depending on the asset. And when I do spot a setup, execution is fast. From identifying the FEG to being in the trade is literally seconds. No lag, no requotes. For me, that reliability is non-negotiable. If your platform hesitates when you need it to be instant, that's not a platform problem, that's a money problem. Right, so there we have it. We'll do a quick recap. A fair value gap is a 3-candle pattern where the wicks don't overlap, caused by a big institutional move. Price tends to come back to fill that gap, and that gives you an entry in the direction of the original move. Stack it with a high time frame bias and a liquidity grab on the way in, and you've got a properly clean setup. Like the video if it helped, comment what you want next, and I'll see you in the next one.